Hi, my name is Peter Pequeno and I'm presenting the artist Cai Gaoxiong. Cai Gaoxiong was born in the year 1957 in China. His father was a calligrapher and traditional Chinese painter. Cai was consequently influenced through literature and traditional Chinese art. His world was further influenced by the Cultural Revolution during his teenage years. He participated in some of the demonstrations during this time, but as time progressed, he became less interested in the ideas of Maoism and instead became fascinated with the use of fireworks and displays. Later, he acted in some movies during his early years studying at Shanghai Theatre Academy. He developed a strong sense of 3D spaces that would help him as an artist. After he moved to Japan, he explored the use of gunpowder in his art. His works were initially small scale, but eventually culminated with large scale works. An example of his extreme works includes a 6-mile long gunpowder fuse made for project to extend the Great Wall of China by 10,000 meters. His works draw on Eastern philosophy as well as modern issues in society that are controversial. Although he is known for his extensive use of gunpowder, he has made other numerous installations that are site-specific and consequently make direct references to their localities through history and culture. Political commentary as well as observation is critical in many of Cai Gaoxiong's artworks, and this artwork, known as Head On, is no exception. It is a large-scale installation produced in 2006 that depicts 99 suspended lifelike wolves running and crashing into a wall of plexiglass. The wolves are shown as determined and arguably heroic for pressing on despite what lies directly ahead of them. Its location, the Berlin Museum, provides insight into its meaning. Given this may be a depiction analogous to the World Wars. Specifically, this work shows the tragedy of blindly following a cause. Another one of his works is known as Inopportune Stage 1, which is a series of massive installations. Here we see 9 Ford Tauruses in different stages or frozen frames exploding from a car bomb. Although it is sometimes seen as political art for its relevance to terrorism, the installation can be perceived as a deliberate attempt to take a pyrotechnic event and make it beautiful. Cai's style can be seen also as he shows this as a linear event similar to Chinese scroll paintings that tell a story. The third artwork is Skyladder. Considered a combination of installation, environmental, and performance art, Skyladder is the expression of one of Cai's longest dreams. The artwork itself is a 500-meter ladder made of bamboo, laced with fuses made of gunpowder, and is suspended by a helium balloon lit on fire. This is one of Cai's most personal artworks because this expression of his dream was pursued for 21 years and influenced greatly by his childhood conflicts with Maoism and traditional Chinese culture. He seeks to express disruption through the explosive nature of the artwork. Cai Gaoxiong has had a major impact in the art world by expressing political views while also pioneering and refining the use of gunpowder in art. He has also expressed a unique perspective of Chinese society as an artist, showing both positive and negative attributes. He has seen acclaim from critics and has become even more famous for his involvement in the 2008 Beijing Olympic ceremonies. Cai's career has reflected his own individual development connected to his childhood, the cultural history, and condition of China. Despite the personal nature of his artworks, they are enjoyable to viewers for the show of pyrotechnics and serious messages about the human condition. This, in addition to the unique medium of gunpowder, has allowed him to create artworks unlike any others.